Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
West Indies captain Roston Chase says that the Caribbean side is confident going into the second test against New Zealand starting this afternoon at 5 Jamaica time at the Basin Reserve in Wellington. The West Indies are coming off a dramatic draw against the Black Caps in the first test in Wellington, which saw a century from Shea Hope, an unbeaten double century from Justin Greaves, and a dogged unbeaten half century from Kemar Roach in their second innings. Roach also took a fifer in the Kiwis' first innings. Chase says that they are raring to go for the contest.
I think the guys have settled well, and the test match that we played, I think that is going to give us a lot of confidence going forward in the series, knowing that we can actually compete and come close, almost having a chance of winning in the first test match. So the guys' spirits are high and very, 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 very believing right now.
But although confident, Chase says that they will not get carried away with the first test draw.
I don't want to say that we are favorites now, but I think that coming out of that last game, I think we would have ticked more boxes than them and came out the game with more positives than them. So I would say that we are on top right now.
What would make you the favourite?
No, I would say that I wouldn't say we are the favourites, but I think that we came out on top in that game.
Meanwhile, New Zealand added 3 potential debutants, bowlers Christian Clark and Michael Ray, as well as wicketkeeper Mitchell Hay and the veteran all-rounder Glenn Phillips to their 14-man squad for the second test. This after Matt Henry, Nathan Smith, Tom Blundell and Mitchell Sapner were all ruled out due to injury. Led by a Chad James brace, defending champions Cavalier defeated league leaders Montego United 3-0 in the first game of a doubleheader at the Stadium East Complex on a Monday night. James found the back of the net in the 56th and 71st minutes. Jerome McCleary had opened the scoring for Cavalier in minute 34. With the result, it remains as you were atop the standings, with Mobe United on 22 points, while Cavalier remained fourth on 16 points. Meanwhile, in the late kickoff game, Tivoli Gardens clipped Waterhouse 2-1 to move ahead of them in the standings. Nikali Fuller scored both goals for Tivoli in the 22nd and 72nd minutes. Substitute Rivaldo Mitchell got Waterhouse's consolation in minute 66. Tivoli moved up a place to 5th on 15 points, while Waterhouse fell to 6th on 12 points. Jamaican martial artist Valentia Zolotarova added a third medal for the country at the just concluded Bolivarian Games in Lima, Peru, winning bronze. The 38-year-old who competed in the 55-kilogram Kumite division was in Pool 1 of the round-robin competition, where she went down 15-7 to Sofia Futeres of Peru. But she recovered to take out Bolivian Los Marlin Roca 4-2 and ended 2-all with Argentina's Hazel Flores Ramos. In the third-place playoff, the 2022 Commonwealth Games bronze medalist dominated Chilean Lanka Soto 9-1. Jamaica ended 14th on the 16-team medal table. And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Carrie Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.